Hello students, in this video we will solve some problem using the laws of exponent. You have already just gone through in the earlier class, that is class 8, that is laws of exponent. Here we are using and try to solve some problems. So let's start. Try to just recall all the laws of exponent over here. See, a to the power m into a to the power n, it will be, if the bases are same, the power will be added. If this is divide, then it will be, power will be deducted. And if it is power up power, then it will be multiplied. Suppose a by b to the power m, you can just write it down, a to the power m divided by b to the power m. And in this way, this is the converse of this. And this will be a by b to the power m. A to the power minus m, it will be 1 by a to the power m. And any number, that is a to the power 0 equal to 1. Just keeping all these just formulas, laws of exponent, we are just going to solve some problems from this exercise 1G. See number 1, 1G, 1. 2 to the power 3 into 2 to the power 2 to the power 2 by 3 into 2 to the power 1 by 3. See, these bases are same, the power will be added. So 2 to the power 2 by 3 plus 1 by 3, it is coming 2 to the power 3 by 3, it is cutted off, and this is coming 2. And the answer is 2. Number 2 is, say, 8 to the power half divided by 8 to the power 2 by 3. Bases are same. See, the second formula we are using over here, 8 to the power 2 by 3 minus 2 to the power 3. This is actually coming 3 minus 4 by 6. It is coming 1 by 6. 8 to the 1 by 6, you know, that is 2 to the power 3 equal to 8. So we are just putting over here 2 to the power 3 into 1 by 6. It is coming, cut it off, and this is coming minus 1 by 2. That is 2 to the power minus 1 by 2. Now number 3, 3. See here, 6 to the power half into 7 to the power half. See here the exponent. Here this is actually the bases. This is actually the bases are different, but their power are same. So here it will be multiplied, and this is can be written as 6 into 7 to the power half, and is 42 to the power half. Next, number 4. It is same. See, this is given 3 to the power 1 by 3 to the power 4. That is power into power. This will be power, it will be multiplied. And 3 to the power 4 by 3. And this will be your answer. Now, 125 to the power 1 by 3. You know that is 1 by 125. We can write it as 5 cube. And this 5 cube to the power 1 by 3. This power of power, it will be multiplied. Then it is coming 5. Then number 6. A to the power b plus b to the power a to the power minus 1, where the value of a is given, a equal to 2 and b equal to 3. It is given. So a to the power b means 2 to the power 2 cube plus 3 square to the power minus 1. So it is actually coming 8. This is 9. 8 plus 9, 17. 17 to the power minus 1, it will be coming 1 by 17. Using that formula, that is a to the power m equal to 1 by a to the power m. Next is coming 9, 1. Evaluate this one. 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube to the power half. So 1 cube is 1, 2 cube is 8, 3 cube is 27. That is actually coming 36, and half of power is, this power is half, and 36, it is actually 6 square, and power is, it will be multiplied. So 2 into 2, it is cutted off, and this is 6 to the power 1 means 6. And then is coming is number 10, 2. That is 64 divided by 125 minus 2 by 3 plus 1 by 256 by 625 power 1 by 4 plus square root of 25 divided by cube root of 64. See, here 64 by 125. 64 we can just put it 4 cube, and 125 we can put it 5 cube. So we can just write it, this number is 4 by 5 to the power 3 into this power, it will be multiplied. So 3 into 3, it will be cutted off, minus 2 is remaining over here. Second part is 256 to the power divided by 625. We can write with the power of 4 because this is 4 denominator is there. So we can just write it down in the form of 4 by 5 to the power 4 into power is it is multiplied, so it will be cutted off. So it has come 4 by 5 plus the third part square root of 25 it is coming 5 and cube root of 4 it is coming 64. So we can write 64 as q to the power 4 to the power 3. Now see 4 by 5 to the power minus 2. So it is this minus 2 and this is 1 by 4 by 5, this is 5 by 4. So it is actually just, it will be reciprocal of this, that is the 4, it will be coming 16, 4 square means 16, 5 square means 25, and it is actually reciprocal of this, that is 5 by 4 and this is 5 by 4. After just doing the calculation, this is coming 16 as the LCM, is 25 plus 20 plus 20 is 65 plus 16, which is actually the required one RHS. Next one is 14(1). This 5x plus 2 power 1 by 5. This is the 5 root 5x plus 2 equal to 2. We need to find out the value of x. See here, this is, we can just write it down, 5x plus 2 to the power 1 by 5 equal to 2. Now both side powering 5, we are just doing this with both side powering 5. Then 5 1 by 5 it is going to be cut it off and 2 to the power 5 is there, this side, right hand side. 2 to the power 5 is 32. So 5x plus 2 equal to 32. Then 5x equal. Next is number 16. We need to find out. So number 16 is x to the power b by x to the power c to the power b plus c minus a, x to the power c by x to the power a to the power c plus a minus b, x to the power a by x to the power b powers a to the power a plus b minus c. We need to just do the calculation over here. See, this is x to the power, this is x to the power b by x to the power c, we can write it down x to the power b minus c into this. In this way, same c minus a into c plus a minus b, x to the power a minus b into a plus b minus c. So all these powers are actually, bases are same, then this power, all this power it will be added. So here we are just doing this multiplication, this is b into b, that is b square plus bc minus ab minus c into, that is bc minus c square plus ac. In this way we can just multiply all these three terms over here and see, after doing the calculation all this is getting cutted off and this is becoming 0. So x to the power 0 equal to 1, which is actually the value of this. See here number 8. Here number 8 is given 6. It is actually just making this one 6 to the power 1 by 6. Now we need to find out, that is these are the three numbers are here. We need to find out in the ascending order. Here it is given 6 square root 6. This is coming 6 to the power 1 by 6. That is, and this is actually 7 to the power 1 by 3. And this will be 8 to the power 1 by 4. Now we need to equalize the denominator of these three numbers over here. See, 4, 3 and 6. This denominator will be 12. So we can write it down to 1 by 6 equal to 2 by 6, 2 by 12. This is 7 to the power 4 by 12 and 3 to the power 8 to the power 3 by 12. Now here if the denominators are same, now we can just put it this denominator along with this 1 over here everywhere, that is 6 square, it is coming 36. 7 to the power 4 equal to 2401 to the power 1 by 12, and 8 cube is 512 to the power 1 by 12. See, now all the numbers having the same power, that is 1 by 12, 1 by 12, 1 by 12. Now which number is actually the greater? That is actually the greatest number. Now here is actually the smallest number. This is in ascending order. So we can put it like this. This 36 is the smallest one, then the 512, and then 2401. So we can just arrange in this way in the ascending order. That is, this is the lowest term, and this is the next one, and this is the highest term. So this is actually your answer of in ascending order. So students, this is actually the last exercise of this number system, that is this chapter. So try to solve all sort of problems from this chapter, that is number system. If you are having any problem, just inform me or contact with me. Thank you very much.